Hello, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how to install and assemble an industrial direct drive sewing machine. You start by unboxing the machine. The normal industrial machine comes with 3 cartons: the clutch motor, the head, and the body. But this comes with only this motor you are seeing right here. That little thing there is the motor for a direct drive industrial sewing machine. Alright, so proceeding to the tools, I asked my brother to assist me in installing this machine, and trust me, it was very easy and simple to do. We started with setting up the leg of the machine and the table. We got all the tools ready. We checked the manual to see if we could see a process we could follow in the procedure, but it was all gibberish, like it was hard to understand. So we went with the phone and searched on it, and we saw the procedure. So we started. Installing the leg of the email was a very simple task, but you have to ensure that you make use of your spanner, your screwdriver, and your plier, if you have them, to tighten up every screw you tie so it doesn't lose or come off. Because after installing the machine on the body, one of the legs sank in due to untight screws, so we had to raise it up, take out the head, and tighten it back with a spanner. And that was the only way it was now stronger. So you check your tools and be sure that you are doing it right, okay? So after installing the 2 legs, we added the back part of the machine, which you see right here. Yeah, and then we added the second leg and tightened it. You see where he's using the screwdriver. After the screwdriver, we also made use of the spanner or a plier to tighten it up more. After that, we had to install the presser foot. So this is how you install the presser foot of your direct drive email sewing machine. Trust me guys, if you follow these procedures keenly, you would get everything you were doing right. Then we took it to the body of the machine, turned it upside down, and had to do the placement. Always check the parts you are putting and how it's facing before you install it. The next thing is to put the leg on the board. The board will be on the floor, and you turn the leg to the board. You mark the places you're going to hold it with, and make use of a screw or a nail. The drawer. This drawer can be placed on either the left or the right side, but I prefer putting mine on the right side for easy access and quick use of my tools. So if you would like yours to be on the left side, that's your choice. If you look closely, you'll see the screw that was used to install the leg to the board. It was very small, but had a pointy mouth to pierce through the board. So we turned it upside down to check if the leg was okay. After this part, we added the oil tank, which you see right now, with all the plastics that are meant to be on it. And after checking it out, we had to turn the machine back upside down to install the motor of the machine. At this point, the presser foot wasn't balanced. I didn't like where the positioning was, so I had to adjust it towards the right hand side a little bit more. So if you want yours to be on the center, it's fine, right, fine, left, fine, that's that's your choice. After that, we had to install the iron that connects the motor to the presser foot. This is the motor where we're installing this. We didn't make use of the nail, we just punched the hole for easy access of the screw. Next thing is to attach the iron to the downside, and that's all. Then you can bring in your machine. Looking closely at the machine, you see there's a rope under it. That rope is what takes oil to some part of the machine, so endeavor not to remove. And yeah, we installed the head on the body. We opened it still to add the oil and the other parts, but you see that process. Next thing we did was to connect the wire. Check the part and connect it properly. After that, we're going to be putting the thread stand of the machine. Just follow the procedures keenly as you see me do, as you see him do on the screen, and you get everything right. I'll be sharing on another video how to thread the machine and how to make use of the controls, the presser and the lifter. So at this point, we are to add oil to the machine, and this black thing became a difficult thing for us to install, not knowing where to place it, but we finally found where to place it inside the machine. It helps to push the presser foot up for your outfit to enter under the needle. Please ensure you make use of plier and spanner to do your installation. So at this point, I was just checking the stitches from number 2 to number 3 to number 4 and number 5 to check the stitches of the machine. And after checking the stitches, I then checked the speed. The good thing about this machine is that the speed is very much adjustable, so you don't have to fear matching on the machine and it's sewing or ruining your clothes or piercing it on your hand. With that button right there, the P and the S, you can control the speed of your machine and reduce it from 5,000 to as low as 200. And no matter how much you press it, you match on the machine, it won't move fast. That's just the good thing about the direct drive. And also it manages electricity. It doesn't consume much electricity. As you can see, it sews every fabric. This was actually a stretchy fabric, and its sewing was so neat and nice. It sews jean fabric, thick fabric, organza, and many more. That will be all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you on my next tutorial. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Love you all.